Hey, hi, most welcome to my humble abode. So today I will give you the tour about the I'm living right now, which is in the Bangalore, and the area is the Kormangala, and this is where I'm living. This is a one BHK in the Kormangala. It's one of the happening and then one of the expensive area in the Bangalore. Today I show you around where I'm living. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So if you saw, this one is the entrance, and ये हमारे पौधे हैं, which is I am the plant parent. And starting from here, if you see, this is my workspace. ये ये जो ऊपर है ये अपने कोट्स है, and then this is my bookshelf. If you see this side, so this is the corner which I like most, cozy, and then some my favorite movie quotes. And if you see here, this is my most collection of the books, and I am the bibliophile, so I like to love so many books. If you see upstairs, there is a lot of board games, Jenga, and then puzzles, and So coming to here, this is the most expensive part in the room. अगर चोर आएगा तो इसको लेके जाएगा तो करोड़पति हो जाएगा. So I have Jordans, Puma, Nike, Cortez, Adidas, Samba, and so many things. So talking about the thing, so मैं एक बार दिखाता हूँ कि लाइट विदाउट लाइट कैसे आता है. So if you see, this is how looking. So this is how aesthetic look, because I don't like the sharp light. So that's why I implemented all the this zero light, and then all those bedroom also. So like, I start take the rent is this one is like around the what is that 20K, 20K including the garbage tax, and then what is called water tax. So what includes in this house is like, if you see this almari, the bookshelf, the only bookshelf, if you see that bookshelf only I got from the owner, and then one iron tijori from the bedroom. I'll show that. So the sofa I took myself. मैंने यहाँ से ही लिया था, एंड देन आई गॉट. एक फ्रेंड जा रहा था मतलब बैंगलोर छोड़ के, तो अच्छा खासा मिल गया था. दिस वन इज ऑल्सो आई गॉट फ्रॉम द previous landlord. And then if you see this art, so this art is I bring from the Jaipur. So Nandi ka art है, so Nandi is very good if you have the photo in your room. This one, Into the Wild, my favorite movie, which is I'm fan of that. This one is epic, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. And then this one is the Inner Peace Panda, which is my favorite idol character. Now come to the my favorite little kitchen. This is the fridge. If you see fridge, different photos, and then magnet of Bhutan. I've been recently this month. I've been Kashmir, Goa, and then Mount Everest. Obviously, these are my favorite one. Babu Bhaiya and then SRK dialogue. So this one is the simple, very tiny but full of the amenities like the oven, the egg boiler, the toaster, the full gas stove, and loaded with everything. Apologies for the behind the background, but हाँ, ये छोटा सा किचन है which is like मेरा मतलब मैं अच्छे से खाना बना लेता हूँ, तो खाने में कुक आती है बनाने के लिए. एंड देन मंडे टू सैटरडे आती है, एंड सैटरडे संडे कभी कभार हम बना लेते हैं. सो कम टू द बेडरूम. So this is actually the bedroom. If you see, this is a typical room of the bedroom, and this square is like 100 square of this one BHK. So this iron bed is very big bed, deluxe king bed, and this is also, if you come to see, this is my uh, photos of all around the India tour, which I've been. So this is all over the India, and this is the almari which I got from the owner. Which whatever iron here is, I got from the owner. So this washing machine मैंने लिया था. Actually fridge and washing machine I bought from the one guy who is moving out of. और टोटल मेरे को 10,000 में दोनों पड़ गया था. ये 5,000, उसका 5,000. बट मैं लाया था ये हब्बाल से यहाँ लाने तक आई गेस 2000 हो गया था पॉटर में. बट दिस इज नाइस. फ्रंट लोड and come to the washroom. Washroom is nice, quite big. Yeah, full with the geyser. Geyser is already fitted there, and then uh, basic amenities. So yeah, this is the like you can say I'm living in the Kormangala. Now let's get back to the uh, what it's called hall room. So these are my parents' photo frame, and let's go to the hall room. Okay, so talking about living here in the Bangalore, especially working IT as a professional, for me it's okay for this room because I'm the only living in the room. Sometimes parents are coming, sometimes friends coming for the housewarming. तो ये अच्छा है but maintaining the this house is very hard. Like Saturday Sunday clean करना पड़ता है and then every Sunday you have to go for the सब्जी market for the monthly sorry weekly सब्जी लेने के लिए fruits also. यहाँ पे सब नजदीक में है like the Reliance Fresh is here and then Forum Mall is here nearby. All the cafes or pubs nearby here also in Koramangala. So that's a good thing. Like nearby the Koramangala I'm living. Also I have vehicle. So मतलब कहीं जाना हो तो उससे ही चला जाता हूँ. So monthly if I say my expense in the Koramangala, so 20K is like the house only and 10,000 for miscellaneous like grocery and then petrol and then uh, yeah the electricity also. So electricity these people 200 unit free but on top of that you have to give the amount of the electricity. So yeah, this about me like living in the Kormangala, and then that's how this is my house. And good thing is like I below behind you see uh this curtains. So curtains. So curtains I seen somewhere from celebrity house and I got from somewhere. So basically I ये उदयपुर से आया था and then I बहुत ढूंढने के बाद ऐसा curtains मिला है. So this is nice, aesthetic, and most important thing, come here. So this is my collection of all over worldwide post stamps. If you see first four rows from all over India corner, which I've been all the location, very rare and the stamps, post stamps, and last four rows for the all over worldwide. You can see the USA, you can see the Lebanon, you can see Malaysia, Australia, Canada, and so many things. I mean, so I'm the collection lover, so I like to collect the things from all over the world. So I completed my India tour and now I'm going to the abroad. So yeah, this is from my side. And if you are in living in Kormangala, you can meet me or you can reach out to me. Or if you want to rent out in Kormangala, I can guide you. Happy to guide you. So thank you so much. Or behind the camera, thank you, Sandeep. He's my friend come colleague and he's shooting all the things. So yeah, thank you so much and happy day. Bye bye.